Welcome to Decor. This is my first day, my first chapter, and I'm really excited to have you here with me. This day, I would like to invite you to come into my bathroom as I am going to decorate it. As you can see, I only have very little decorations. So today, the main goal is give it to a very nice refresh. The colors I choose for the bathroom are blue, brown, beige, and white because I would like to have that ocean feeling in the bathroom. I love that my bathroom is very large, so we actually can play a lot in it with decorations. So this day I'm just gonna show the first part of the transformation that I want to give it, and later on we're gonna do another video for the second part. So for the first step, I'm going to be adding some beach elements, and I am going to put first in this boat some towels that I would like to make a little roll just like this, and we are going to be adding them on the boat. And so they are going to be 2 on the sides and 1, which is going to be the main one, in the center. This one I loved it because of the starfish design. I also would like to give my bathroom a rustic look, and for that I am going to add on top of the towels this cheap rudder that I found at Hobby Lobby. Let's also add this fish net, which I'm going to try to adjust it from the handles of the rudder, like this. I am going to accommodate it behind the bar so we can add the towels at the end. Next will be this little corner of my walls, which I'm going to add this bottle. Has 2 hooks, very nice, so we can put like shower caps, brows, or towels. Continuing with the theme of the beach, we are going to add this cute vase that I found with that seahorse on the corner, and we're going to add this beautiful branch of white leaves. Here, I am making some room for this little bench, which has a blue leather that matches perfect with the theme. Look what I found! My seahorse. I bought it a few weeks ago at Hobby Lobby, and I just love this one. It's huge and also matches perfect with the theme and with my laundry basket. Okay, let me show you a couple more things that I'm going to add into the bathroom. I already placed 3 towels at the white shelves on the wall. Also, that cute sign that says relax, perfect for the bathroom. I also add the rugs on the floor that I decided to be blue to give a little pop out from the browns on the floor. Okay, here are the towels that I decided to put at the shower. These ones has the perfect colors that I was looking for, and also they have the initials of our last names. Those towels my mother-in-law gave it to me a long time ago, so They are very special for us. I always enjoy to add a mini towel on top of the big one. Okay, and this is the final tour of what we just did this day. In next video, I'm going to show you the second part of the bathroom decoration, which is going to include the sink, that toilet area, and also a white shell that I have in the bathroom as well, which has 3 tiers and a lot of room for playing and decorating. Thanks for being here with me today decorating my bathroom. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!